the wild budgerigar. This is truly an immense community. There are over 10,000 budgies in this flock. Every one of them is thirsty. But although they've found this billabong, they must be wary. A hawk, and one that eats budgies. As long as it remains on the ground, the budgies will risk taking a drink. Once it takes to the air, however, the budgies are in danger. And it's not the only bird of prey here. The budgies have a simple but very effective defence. They all take to the wing at once. An aerial hunter needs to lock on to a single target for a few seconds if it is to catch it. But in this swirl, that's very hard to do. Flying in a flock keeps the budgies safe, but they're still desperate to drink. As soon as a particularly brave one takes the plunge, they all do. But once on the water, they are easier to target. They must drink quickly and stick together. The last ones to leave will be the ones in most danger. Only one has been taken from a flock of 10,000. In a few days, they will leave the area on their never-ending search for the next brief opportunity to feed and drink.